Hi everyone, my name is Scott and I am the community expert here at Glassdoor. Basically, that means that I look at job trends all day long. Who's getting jobs, how they're getting jobs, who's applying to jobs, what the most popular jobs are, and really the ins and outs of how to get hired today. You know, I'm not just an employee here at Glassdoor, I've been a job seeker before, and I've been a desperate job seeker. So when I was going through this career crisis, one thing that I really realized that stood out, that was crystal clear, is that there was a clear method to get noticed, to do research, to become informed, and if you did that, wow, you really stood a higher chance to get your dream job. So the tricky part is there's no college course on this. No one teaches you in college how to get a job or negotiate your salary. It just doesn't exist. And so that's one reason why we're doing what we're doing here today. It's to help you and empower you to find the right job, to negotiate your salary, and for you to take control of your career. This course is going to give you 7 steps to finding and securing the right job for you. It all starts with the research phase, researching the right job and company. Then it moves to preparing for the interview, preparing to negotiate your salary. And then the final phase, closing the deal. How to talk with the employer about what's right for you. And then if you do take that amazing job, what are the do's and don'ts within your first 30 days? As part of this, we're also going to have a downloadable toolkit, which will have checklists, tips and tricks, and everything that you're going to learn throughout this course. And after this course, we want to hear from you. In the discussion board, leave your questions, talk to one another, let us know about your job search success stories. And as a community, you guys can help each other through the process too. And I'm so glad that you've chosen to take this course. So let's find you the right job. Let's get started.